How to upload photos to Google Drive and share a link. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to do so. First of all, download and open the Google Drive app on your iPhone and log in with your Google account if you have not already. So once inside the Google Drive, simply tap on the plus icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen in order to upload a new photo or video. Then tap on the upload a file. Then choose the photo and videos. Now scroll down till your gallery and choose a photo you want to upload and share it. So here I simply choose one of it. Then tap on the upload option available at the top right corner of your screen and upload it to your Google Drive. So first of all, you will need to upload the photo to your Google Drive in order to share it. Once uploaded, simply tap on the photo, then tap on the three dot icon next to it. Once you tap on the three dot icon, you will get to see share option available there. Simply tap on the share. Again, once you tap on the share, all you have to do is type down the email address of the person or company you want to share this photo to. And once done so, simply tap on the done option available there and share it to the person. And once you share it, they will have access to this photo in your Google Drive. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.